If you suffer with a lot of sneezing, especially as the seasons are changing, I've got 3 natural tips for you. Okay, tip number 1 is to take quercetin. This is a natural antihistamine without the negative side effects that often go with taking something conventional for your seasonal symptoms. Okay, tip number 2 is butterbur. This is great for hay fever and the symptoms of sneezing and having that postnasal drip. And number 3 is stinging nettle. This is also a great herbal medicine that includes, and according to this research, blocks that histamine receptor and stops the immune cells from releasing chemicals that trigger allergy symptoms. Follow for more natural health tips.